Moimoi. This is so that's hi kitchen family, welcome again to another one. So guys, today we're going to be cooking. Stay tuned. Guys, I've already prepped some things yesterday. So this is the Moimoi pepper base. It comprises of roasted bell peppers, fresh paprika. I roasted all of them, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, blended them into the smooth paste. I also blended with some crayfish, Moimoi batter. So this is beans peeled and blended. Our chicken has been properly seasoned and marinated. Okay, I marinate overnight. Oh, look at that chicken. The marinade is comprised of paprika, Italian herbs, crushed chilies, butter, coconut milk, onion powder, chicken seasoning, and then inside the chicken belly I put in some veggies, herbs. Yeah, so this is what I have. So this will be going into the oven. I'll use this big pot. I know, Redeemer, gentle hand. Of warm water, sunflower oil, melted butter, some salt, onion powder, some seasoning powder. This is beef flavor. This is okay, so I think it's like this. I'm always battling with this complete. Oh, I got it right today. Okay. Oh, like cooking Moimoi is hard. No matter gonna see a weeks. Perfect. Foil pudding basins. I'm looking for this. I put them so I don't have it. Find my money, yeah. Find my money. Yeah, I did it. It's just the marinade from the chicken yesterday, right? So we're going to be adding it to the chicken. Some bakey. It looks good now. Let me just top it up with some onion. So guys, it's ready to go into the oven. Okay guys, this is what I have. Hey, cheese sauce. So this is what I usually do. I put away the pan a bit. Okay, so let's close them. So let's see. Ooh. I don't think so. It doesn't take time. Woo! Just it's 10-15 minutes. Alright guys, I want to roast this pepper mix. So I have red bell pepper, paprika, red onion, tomato. I've deseeded them. I also have scotch bonnet pepper, vegetable seasoning cubes, parsley flakes, oregano, white pepper, bay leaf powder, going with some salt, sunflower oil. Pop it in the air fryer. Roast for about 25 minutes. I know my Redeemer. Not the payment for So guys, let's check on the moimoi. It's been cooking for too long. My chicken, forgotten it all. Let's check on the moimoi. It's been cooking for too long. The whole time. Moimoi, yeah. How the tummy looks.
Okay, he just helped because of traffic.
Okay, so that's cooked. My veggies are still intact. See how juicy it looks. Let's not make a mess. It's really nice.
Yes, that.
See, I am nobody important.
You know this is temporary, right? Yes.
Kelvin, I love you.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
He said thank you.
Thank you.
What did you...
So guys, I'm finally done. These are all the things I made. This is jollof rice and turkey, catfish and tilapia fish pepper soup. I just added some sweet corn and Irish potato with some pepper base. And this one is just tilapia fish. One of my brother does not eat catfish, so I made his own separately. Dying minutes, my grandma said she just wanted to chew on goat meat, and I just did something with the goat meat we have in the freezer. So that's my grandma's food. She's going to be having it with this, and this is grilled chicken with some veggies, and this is moimoi. Okay, so see you, bye.